Many users reported seeing Warzone error code diver when the game was launched. The issue is mainly reported to occur on PC or PS4. In some cases, the issue is reported to occur after or during a game's update. If you encounter this very same issue, don't worry. Here are 6 fixes that have helped other players resolve the problem. Just work your way down the list until you find the one that works for you. When you begin to troubleshoot this issue, the first thing that you should do is checking the online status of the platform you're on and see if it's experiencing downtime or connectivity issues. If this indeed goes on, there's not much you can do but wait for the servers to be recovered. Method 1. Relaunch the game. Firstly, close the game launcher and right-click on Windows. Now, select Task Manager and end all the processes related to Warzone, Modern Warfare. Then launch Warzone and check if it is working fine. Method 2. Check for update the Warzone game. Warzone might fail to work if the game is not updated to the latest build, as it can create incompatibility with other OS modules. Here, updating the Warzone game to the latest build may solve the problem. Method 3. Change the regional server of Warzone. Open the Battle.net launcher and select COD Warzone. Now, click on the globe icon near the play button, and in the mini menu, choose a different region, e.g., if you are in America, select Europe or vice versa. Then click on play, and if the game asks to update, let it update. Afterward, when the game is launched, check if Warzone is working fine without error diver. Method 4. Scan and repair your game files. Open Battle.net client. In the left menu, choose Call of Duty, MW. Then click Options and choose Scan and Repair. Click Begin Scan, then wait a while as the tool scans and repairs your game installation. Launch Warzone again and check to see if the diver error is solved. Method 5. Allow your game through Windows Firewall. On your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and R at the same time to invoke the Run box. Then type control-firewall.cpl into the box and press Enter. In the window that pops up, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Browse through the list of allowed apps and features to see if Warzone is included. If not, click Change Settings, click Allow another app, then follow the on-screen instructions to add Modern Warfare or Warzone.x to the allowed apps list. Once completed, click OK. Launch the game once again and see if error still throws up. If it's still ongoing, please move on to next method. Method 6. Perform an SFC scan of the system. You may encounter error code diver in Warzone if the essential system files are corrupt, which may make an essential resource or directory unreachable for Warzone. In this context, performing an SFC scan of the system may clear the Warzone error under discussion. Method 7. Power cycle your device. Close the game and power down the system. Now unplug the power cable of the system from its source and power down the router. Then unplug the router's power cable from its source and wait for 5 minutes. Now plug back the power cables to the respective power source and power on the router. Once the router is properly powered on, power on the system, and once the system is powered on, launch Warzone to check if it is clear of the error code diver. Method 8. Try another network or network type. Firstly, exit the Warzone game and kill all of its related tasks in the Task Manager. Now, connect the system through a VPN. If not present, you may install a VPN and launch Warzone. If the game tries to update, let it update, and then check if the Warzone is operating fine. If not, check if using a different network type, e.g., if using a Wi-Fi connection, try an Ethernet cable, or vice versa, solves the problem. If the issue persists, exit Warzone and end its related tasks in the Task Manager. Now, disconnect the system from the current network and connect it to another network, like a phone's hotspot. Then launch Warzone, and if it tries to update, let it update. Afterward, launch Warzone and check if the error code diver is cleared. Method 9. Factory reset router. COD Warzone might show the error code diver if the router is not properly configured or if the router's firmware is corrupt. In this context, resetting the router to the factory default may clear the Warzone error. Before moving on, make sure to note down the info required to set up the router after factory resetting it. Method 10. Reinstall Warzone. If none of the above methods work, then the diver error could be a result of the corrupt installation of Warzone that is beyond repair. In this case, the tedious and data-consuming task of reinstalling Warzone may solve the problem. Note: make sure to back up the essential data info of Warzone.